Hey guys, so like I said, we are building up to today. So in the past, we've been drawing pictures to figure out that 3 and 1/4 is the same thing as 13/4. So the way we get from here to here, remember we can multiply these. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. Okay, remember denominator is always going to stay the same. That is no different for today's. So now let's work backwards. How do we get from here to here? Remember at the beginning, when we first started division, we learned that this line can mean division. And that's what it means right now. 13 divided by 4. So if I did that, it would look something like this. 4 can't go into 1. 4 can go into 13 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 1. 3 remainder 1. Does this look familiar? We have a 3 here, we have a 1 here, and remember our denominator is never going to change. So 4 can go into 13 3 whole times. Okay, that's where our whole number comes in. And our remainder is going to be the numerator, and 1 more time out of 4 pieces. Our denominator is never going to change. So let's try another one. Let's see let's pick a big number. 9 and 5/7. Okay, so I know that to figure this out, I'm going to do 9 times 7. Okay, so that's 63, plus 5 is 68. So this is going to be the same thing as 68/7, because my denominator, the size of my pieces are never going to change. Remember, I would draw 9 whole circles and then an extra one for my fraction. Okay, that's like saying 9/9, 9/9, 9/9. If I added up all of those whole numbers, I would get 68/7. Now work it backwards. I have 68. I'm going to divide that by 7, just like our normal division problems would say. I know 7 can't go into 6. 7 can go into 68 9 times, which is 63. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 remainder 5. So if I take this information and I turn it into a fraction, I have gone 9 wholes. 7 can go into it 9 whole times, and then my remainder becomes my numerator, and 5 times out of, oops, I almost wrote 8, 5 times out of 7, because our denominator is never going to change. So you can use this trick to help you switch improper fractions. Remember, improper means that they're not written the right way. They are not proper. When the number on top is larger than the number on the bottom, that is not proper. Okay, so mixed numbers, mixed numbers is when there's a whole number and a proper fraction. So we're changing this from improper to proper.